Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your headphones Philips. The first one is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then at your right ear cup we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. Now, the most important is this LED light near to your port, meaning that your headphones are charging. The second option is to use your phone to charge your earbuds. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable, what look like this. And if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one to your earbuds, headphones. Again, we need to check the LED light, we have it, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can charge your headphones from, let's say, your PC. It looks like this. Connect USB-C cable to your headphones. And then I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC, but you can connect to another device with USB-A port. Now let's check the LED light again, and we have it, so it also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!